Your Spectrum TV remote control has a variety of features that allow you to control your TV and DVR, as well as navigate the Spectrum Guide. This video walks you through these easy-to-use features. However, if you haven't yet programmed your remote, you'll want to do that first. Watch our support video, Programming Your Remote, to learn how. Be sure to install 2 AA batteries in your remote before beginning. Now, here's a look at what all these buttons do. Moving left to right at the top of your remote, there are 3 buttons. TV powers your TV on and off. Input allows you to switch video inputs on your TV. Depending on the components connected to it, this may mean switching from your Spectrum receiver to a DVD player, or Roku, for example. And All turns both your TV and Spectrum receiver on at the same time. The next row has your volume controls. In the center of the volume controls is the mute button. To the right of the volume controls are 3 buttons. The top one lets you search for TV, movies, and other content. Beneath that is the DVR button that lets you access your recorded programs. And the third one down is the play-pause button that allows you to pause and play programs you're currently viewing on demand or with your DVR receiver. Alongside those are the channel buttons that allow you to move up or down through all your channels. The last button, in between the 2 channel buttons, takes you back to your previously viewed channel. Moving down the remote, the Guide button is on the left in the next row and will take you to the Spectrum Guide. Press the Info button to the right for more information about a program you've selected. The 4 arrow buttons in the middle of your remote let you navigate the guide. Use the OK button in the middle of the arrows to select the option you've chosen. The left and right arrows also allow you to rewind and fast forward. The back button on the bottom left of this section takes you to the screen you were previously viewing. The Exit button, to the right, lets you leave the currently displayed screen. In the next row, the first button allows you to select special options, where you can turn on Closed Captioning, DVS, or Guide Narration. In the center of this row is the Menu button, which is used to access the main menu. The button to the right of Menu will set programs to record if you have a DVR. Finally, the numbers at the bottom of the remote let you enter a specific channel number without having to browse the guide or cycle through the channels. They can also be used to make numeric entries when called for in on-screen menus. That's it. It won't take long to become familiar with this handy device. For other helpful support videos, please visit spectrum.net/videos.